Fortune favors the brave. Every meaningful achievement begins with one decision, the decision to move forward even when the outcome isn't guaranteed. The people who create extraordinary lives aren't fearless. They simply refuse to let fear make their decisions. Too many people spend years waiting for the perfect opportunity, the perfect economy, or the perfect time. But the truth is, there will always be uncertainty. The difference between those who struggle and those who thrive is that one group waits while the other takes action. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that your effort is building something that belongs to you. Instead of working endlessly to increase someone else's wealth, you're creating a business that can continue generating income long after the initial work is done. At TruPowur, you're not trying to convince people to buy something they don't need. You're helping homeowners and businesses save money on an expense they already have every single month, their energy. Every conversation has the potential to create value for someone else while building recurring residual income for you. You'll receive proven systems, world-class training, advanced technology, mentorship, and the support you need to build a business with purpose. Whether you're looking to create an additional stream of income or replace your full-time career, the opportunity is designed to reward consistent action and long-term thinking. The biggest risk isn't starting something new. The biggest risk is looking back years from now and wondering what could have happened if you had simply believed in yourself enough to begin. Your future won't be determined by yesterday's circumstances. It will be determined by the decisions you make today. So if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day, energy, it's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. Visit TruPowerCareer.com to learn more, and we'll see you on the inside.